Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to style the HTML body element. Let's start fresh and talk about CSS inheritance. Every HTML page has a body element. We can prove that the body element exists here by giving it a background color. So what they mean by that is that this over here is white, but there is a background state here. And if we inspect this, we just right click and then click the inspect button, we'll see that this inner HTML, the little document that's inside of this box, which is part of the grader page, there is a body here and it says a style. All it has is a margin of 8 pixels in there. And so what they're saying is this is white, but they want you to know that it exists by turning it black. So what we're going to do is style the body. So we go body, and then we can just go background color is equal to black. And that's going to make this page go black. Of course, we could go red. We could go navy blue. I guess navy blue is not there, but we could go green. There's a whole host of colors that we could select from. And here it asks us to make it black. So this is an obvious one. We set it to black and we run the tests, and it's that's how you style the element. Now notice that we're putting our CSS in the HTML. We've been doing that before, but this is the first time you've seen it so explicitly written. So being able to write to the body is something that's important, because being able to style the body is basically going to have inheritance across the rest of the HTML document. And as we move forward, I think you're going to learn more about that. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you found it useful, and we'll see you in the next one.